As entrepreneurs, we can often feel like the deck is stacked against us when it comes to the digital world. We don't have the same budget as our massive competitors, nor do we have the army of marketers that they can employ. So, how is a small or medium sized business able to go against those overwhelming odds and carve out its piece of the market? In this video course, I'll teach you how to generate traffic to your Shopify store. Anyone who works for a major news website or publisher knows that social referrals, which means links that are shared on social networks, have become a crucial source of incoming traffic, and have been vying with search as a source of new readers for some time now. Now, Facebook is no longer just vying with Google, but has overtaken it by a significant amount, according to Parsley. This isn't the first time that Facebook has edged past Google in the traffic referral race. In January of last year, Facebook accounted for just 20% of all the traffic from documented sources to the company's network of media sites. This has now doubled. Although Google has a much broader range of sites which sends traffic via search, the larger news and media sites have become much more reliant on Facebook. In a nutshell, engaging posts come in three forms, which are text updates, photos, and third-party links. A study by Facebook Studio shows that posts with images drive more engagement. So whenever you can, share images along with links to your site to drive more engagement and get more people to click on the links. The nice thing about this is that the description travels with the photo when it's shared, so you have a bit more control over the message. Besides this, you could also do what social media examiners do. They take a screenshot of their latest post and publish it along with a description and link to the post. This technique can drive a lot of engagement and can lead to more website traffic. The other nice thing about this is that photos can show up larger in the newsfeed. Another technique that has been popular in the past is to post your link in the status section and then X out the link data that is pulled in to change the post to text only, even though it already has a link in it. The benefit of this has been that text-only posts will get more reach. Besides your personal Facebook account, you can also create a fan page to drive traffic. An easy way to drive more Facebook traffic is by adding a link to your website in the About box. This is the one located right below the profile image on your page. In this way, people can easily visit your website with a click as soon as they read the description. If it's too long, people won't be able to see your link right away. So keep it short to make the link viewable. This will encourage more people to visit your site. Furthermore, don't leave the link by itself without any description. You may add a few words about your business to let readers know more about your page. It's important to post fresh content to your page, not only for social media marketing, but also for search engine optimization. Posting something new and helpful once a week or month can benefit your website traffic. You can post a weekly tip about niches. It doesn't have to be long. A paragraph or two with a nice photo will do just fine. Start with the frequently asked questions that come in from your customers. Other than that, posting a weekly news bite with a photo about the happenings in your business helps too. If you're able to update your page frequently, it definitely helps to drive more traffic to your site. Another great way to drive more traffic to your website from your Facebook page is by pinning the post to the top. You can pin new posts or your most important posts. This can be done by hovering over your post and clicking on the Edit button, and then click on Pin to the top. When the golden marker appears in the right corner of the post, it means that the post has been pinned to the top. Remember to regularly unpin old posts and pin the new ones. You could pin your latest blog post, important news, or images. To drive more traffic to your website, make sure you have links in other parts of your Facebook page that people might be visiting. You can make good use of your Facebook milestones. Milestones stay on your About page and can have links in them to drive traffic. Or else, you could also add links in your photo descriptions. When someone clicks on your photo, they'll see the photo description. Use this especially on your cover photo, which will be clicked on more often. In addition, do not neglect your own personal profile when considering how you can drive more traffic to your website. Make sure you share your blog posts to your personal profile and optimize your own About section with links. Be generous when you describe yourself and also your business. Write longer descriptions so that people who read the About page would understand you and your business right away. Advertising on Facebook can be a great option to get targeted traffic if you have a budget. With Facebook's recent announcements about decreased organic reach, advertising is going to be even more critical for marketers. To drive traffic to your website, you can either create an ad from scratch with a link to your website or boost content that you have already posted. When you boost content, remember to post something that doesn't have a photo and has more than 20% text in it, or it won't get approved by Facebook. According to a study, very short posts receive more likes, while long posts receive more likes and shares. Therefore, it's better to write long posts compared to short ones, as it can be instrumental in driving more website traffic from your Facebook page. Writing quality posts is important, but posting at the right time will definitely boost your post visibility. According to another study, the best time to post on Facebook is at noon. You could also try and post at the best times in different time zones using a tool like Post Planner, or try posting at different times to see which one works for you. When you get more likes, more people will see your posts as it will appear on the news feed and on the tickers of the friends and followers of the users who liked it. If these are people who are interested in the post, they can check it out by clicking on the link. Popular posts are pushed higher up on the newsfeed, which will help them reach even more viewers. So make an effort to get more likes and drive more traffic to your page.